Hello, welcome back. Let us do this question in funny and easy way. They gave us 7 cubic minus 7 square divided by 7. As you can see, inside 7 cubic, there is 7 square. So, I'm going to express 7 cubic in terms of 7 square and 7 power 1. 7 cubic is the same as 7 square multiplied by 7 power 1 minus 7 square over 7. I can factor out 7 square. So 7 square in the bracket, here we're going to remain with 7 minus 1 over 7. 7 square is the same as 7 multiplied by 7. In the bracket, 7 minus 1 over 7. I can simplify by 7, 1, by 7, 1. Now we have 7 in the bracket, 7 minus 1, 7 take away 1. We are going to have 7 multiplied by 6. That will give us 42. I hope you enjoy, and I remind you something. For more video on exponents, you can check my playlist over here. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.